paper and stickers. Step 1. Take color papers. Step 2. Fold the paper into a paper fan. Do the same to the other paper. Step 3. Fold it into half. Step 4. Stick the paper with hot glue gun. Step 5. Do the same thing to the other fan. 6. Stick both the paper fans together. Step 7. Stick the sticks to the paper fan. I could customize it. We're done with the paper fan. Next we are going to make photo frames. For this we need pictures, sticks, sticker, hot glue gun and cardboards. Step 1. Stick the popsicle sticks to the edges of the picture. Step 2. Fold the cardboard as shown. Together with hot glue. Stick it on the frame. Now you can decorate it with some stickers. Now you're done with the frame. Thank you for watching.